Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the Russell futures as they're trading lower today. Russell futures down for a second session, and today we're looking at the futures market down about 1.25%, currently priced at around 1946 as we move towards the close. And when you look at some of the driving factors today, really it appears that one of the primary driving factors is the adjustment in interest rate expectations moving forward. Chairman Powell over the weekend was on TV, and we are now getting a lot of Fed speak that will begin this week. And the indications are that the March possibility is pretty much off the table now. And that's impacting the small caps relative to the other equity index futures markets, more so in the sense that they are more interest rate sensitive. And I think that the expansion of the potential rate cuts moving into the summer, maybe even to the fall, depending on how things unfold here from an economic standpoint, is putting some pressure here on the Russell futures, particularly relative to the other major equity index futures markets. And in today's price action, with the Russell futures under some pressure, they are now trading down to a 2.5-week low and coming off of the high level that they did see at the end of 23 and just continuing to staircase lower, even though when you look at the other major equity index futures markets, they are trading just off of all-time highs. Some late day selling pressure today moved the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow lower, where the Dow was lower more so than the NASDAQ and the S&P. But overall, they are not down nearly as much as the Russell futures today, as again, we're seeing the interest rate expectations moving forward having a direct impact on the small cap sector, and therefore we're seeing continued selling pressure for a second session in the Russell futures.